Do you have doubts about how to kiss a woman or how to get a woman to kiss you? Are you nervous and don't know how to show her that you're interested? Don't worry, these feelings are completely normal. If this is your first time kissing a woman, in this One How To video on relationship, we will be discussing a step-by-step on how to get a woman to give you a sensual and passionate kiss for both of you to enjoy. First of all, you must create a comfortable environment for both you and the other woman. To get that kiss that you so want, it is important to arouse their curiosity and maintain their attention through good conversation. In addition, if you feel comfortable, conversation will give you time to gain the confidence and help her make a move to go in for a sensual kiss. Start by softly looking at her in the eyes in order to make her feel more comfortable and safe. You can change the direction of where you are looking, making fleeting glances to her lips, expressing that they awaken your desire. Get closer to her while you continue to hold the conversation, remaining aware of her body language. Is she also moving closer to you? Is she also holding eye contact? It is important to make sure that you both feel comfortable in this situation. Remember, the goal is for her to take the first step, and that under no circumstance should you force her to do anything. If you notice that you are both playing the same game and are having fun, you can take it to the next step. Keeping your eyes directed on her lips, give her your best smile and slightly bite your own lips when she looks at you. Keep your body language subtle but clear. Finally, once you feel comfortable enough, move your head closer to hers and see if she makes the first move. If you have followed the steps correctly and she has shown interest from the beginning to the end, it is very likely that she will kiss you. Now, you just have to enjoy the moment and let yourself enjoy this exciting experience. Now that you know how to show a woman you are interested in kissing her, remember to relax, enjoy this moment, remain respectful, and follow your instinct. For more on relationships, take a look at our OneHowTo channel and give us a like for more.